Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook. Today I will show you how to make Manchurian chicken. We will start off by placing the chicken in a large bowl, then add flour, cornstarch, baking powder, chili powder, egg white, salt, then slowly add water as you mix. Yes, it will get nice and foamy, but remember to slowly add water so that you can control and make sure that it's not too thick or too thin. Once you're done, leave it aside for 10 minutes and mix again. Turn on the heat to high, and in a deep frying pan, add oil covering 1/3 of the pan. Let it heat up for 2 minutes, and then slowly add 1 chicken batter to see if the oil is heated enough. Lower the heat a little bit and start adding your chicken batter. Stir occasionally and cook it until it's nice golden brown. You can place the chicken into a strainer or use a bowl covered with paper towel so that it stays crispy. Repeat until all the batter chicken is cooked. Now for the sauce. In a deep frying pan, add oil, add red onions and cook it for a half minute before adding garlic, chili, and pepper. Then add oyster sauce, soy sauce, brown sugar, and mix. Now add veggies and cook for 2 minutes. Add slushy water for the thickness and sprinkle salt to taste. You can add half a teaspoon of soy sauce for darker color. Please note, try not to mix the chicken into the sauce until you're ready to serve in order to keep it nice and crispy for taste. Well guys, this is the Manchurian chicken that I've attempted more than a couple of times to make it as perfect as you can see. Please remember, in order to get the 100% or even close to of what the taste should be like, you need to follow each and every one of the recipes and the ingredients that are provided. I've been getting mixed information about some people trying to use different type of products and not having the same result, or altering the portions and not having the same result. So please, if you want the ones that you're seeing in my video, you do need to follow through. If there's anything I can do to make it easier, if there's anything in the recipe you don't understand, I'm often keeping an eye on it. So please reach out to me, let me know what's confusing you so I can help you. I hope you enjoy. All the people that have eaten, which are my family, my friends, my co-workers, every one of them said that I should open a restaurant, but I want this for your enjoyment. I want this for my future records. My goal is to make an international recipe book, so anyone can pick up a book and say, you know what, I want to eat this, and it will be in there. So guys, enjoy, and again, please don't forget to let me know how it is, how, you know, if there's anything I can do better to improve. Please let me know. Otherwise, have fun. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.